Hi, this is Chuck Davis, Senior Developer for QuickRef. Every once in a while, you'll have a situation where you want to see the data sets that are on a specific volume. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the DASD Freespace function to list a group of volumes, and then to use the dataset list function to list the data sets on a specific volume. Let's start out by listing some volumes. QWS equal TSO 9 asterisk. This will list all of our volumes that start with 9. TSO 9, 900 through 911. Now, to see the volumes on a data set, we choose a volume, we put the cursor on that volume, and we simply press the Enter key. And the DSN list appears. Now, the DSN list has many different features to it. Of course, you have the dataset name, you have the allocated tracks, you have the free tracks if it's available, we have the number of extents, we have the first allocation, and we have the second allocation amount. I'm going to scroll to the right, and we're going to have the allocation unit, whether it's tracks or cylinders or blocks. Then we're going to have the dataset organization indicator, VS for vSAM, PS physical sequential, PO. Column 10 is going to be an indicator if this is a hierarchical file system or if it's a partition dataset extended, PDSC. Column 10 is going to be the recording format. Column 11, it's going to be the block size. Column 12 is going to be the logical record length. Column 13 is going to be the creation date. When it's available, column 14 will be the last referenced date. We do have some missing fields here, so let's skip over to column 19. And this is information for EAVs only. That's the EAV attribute. And for EAVs, the job name of the last updating job, job step of the last updating job, and again, for EAV only, the creation time. Now, the columns that are missing are details of a partition data set, which we have chosen not to display. Now, once we're through looking at all the details, we press PF3. We come back to the DASD Freespace reports. This time we can choose another volume like TSO 910, and we can look at all the data sets that are allocated on that volume. Okay, now let's get out of QuickRef and let's show you one other thing. Suppose you wanted to search a single volume. You can use FastPath. So instead of going into DASD Freespace first, you can just say QW, but instead of saying S equal, you say N equal TSO 902. And there's the volume. There is the VolSeer, there's the data sets on the VolSeer TSO 902. Okay. So if you have a question, you can look up member DSN list panel, and it will give you information about the fields. In summary, MVS QuickRef gives you the facts about your DASD farm.